Welcome to Techno Silent. So kindly like and subscribe my channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about Network Simulator 3. So this is the latest version of Network Simulator 3. So 3.30.1. So we are going to install Network Simulator 3 in Ubuntu 16.04. Before installing Network Simulator in Ubuntu 16.04, so we need to install some prerequisites. Okay, so nearly it around it will take 1.5 GB of data. So make sure that availability of data in your network. Okay, so first you copy this, open your terminal by pressing Ctrl Alt T. So this is your terminal, so just zoom it. Okay, so paste your code, just give enter. So it will ask your password, so give your password. So in my system I already installed all the packages, so that's why it will not ask any downloads. So if you want to install the new means, you have to install all the packages one by one. So it will take around 1.5 GB of data. Okay, so these are step 1 prerequisite installations. Okay, so after installing the prerequisites, so you go and download the NS all-in-one tar file from your website. So this is your link for your download. You copy paste the link in your browser. You can download this NS all-in-one 3.301.tar.pz2. Okay, so you can download. So it will around 30 MB only. Okay, so I already downloaded. So it is available in my downloads. So this is your NS all-in-one tar file. You copy that tar file, paste it in your home folder. Okay, then open your terminal. So this is step 2, downloading NS all-in-one file. Then what is our step 3? Step 3 is extract NS all-in-one tar file by using this command. So I have to use tar xjf, copy, then paste it in your terminal. Okay, so now the all-in-one 3.3.01 will be extracted. So these are step 3. So next go to cd NS all-in-one, clear cd NS 3.0 all-in-one. You can install multiple versions of NS 3 simulator in one system. Okay, so these are NS all-in-one directory. So you can put ls. So these are the things available. Okay, so now, so these are step 4. Then step 5, we want to build the NS3. So just copy this, then paste, So cd ns 3.30, then paste this command. So build dot spy enable examples enable tests. So it will enable all the examples and tests. Okay, so just give enter. So it will build your systems. So around it will take nearly 20 to 30 minutes, depends on your system speed. So totally in your 3.3.0 version we have totally 2820. Okay, so one by one it will be checked and linking your building and linking your files. So this will take around 15 to 20 minutes. So I will pause this video. I will come back after the building will be finished. Okay, so now built finished successfully in 8 minutes 51 seconds. Okay, so these are all the models built. So antenna, bridge, core, DSTV. So like that the different models. So this row, this row, this row. So these are the 3 rows built successfully. So models not built are only 3: bright, click and open flow. So no need to consider these are the things. So okay, so these were 5th step. So next you have to configure your NS3 system. So first you go to NS 3.3.1. okay, so go to clear, then go to cd NS 3.3.1. then next enter /waf -t debug enable examples enable test configure. So copy this code, then paste it in your terminal, then give enter. So it will check your bindings. Okay, now it is configured, finished successfully with 5 seconds. Okay, the next you give /waf. So it shows what are the models built and what are the models not built. The next, so this is your 7th step. You want to test your NS3 system means, so just give .test.py. So you copy paste it in your terminal. So it will test all the models and all the files. Okay, so it will take also around nearly 10 minutes. So I will pause this video, then I will come back when the test is finished. Okay. Now the system testing was finished. Totally 635 tests out of 638 tests is passed. Only 3 tests will be skipped. So there is no fail test, there is no scratch, there is no errors. Okay, these are the 3 things we need. So if we are getting any failed or crash or any errors, means you have to install some other extra things. Okay, so totally we are having 635 test is passed. So it is enough to run our NS3 code. So what is our next step? So next step is, so now we are finished the 7th step, testing of NS3. So next we want to run. So that's all about your installing NS3 in your Ubuntu. So next we want to run NS3 programs. So first, so we are in cd ns all-in-one, then ns 3.30 terminal. So this is our terminal, then clear. So this is our terminal, ns all-in-one, then ns. So this is a folder we want to go first. First we want to go into that folder. Then next, how to run that program means, so first you go to ns folder. So this is our ns all-in-one folder. So this is our ns 3.30 folder. So this is our scratch folder. So we want to run any program means, so just copy and paste it in the scratch folder, then only you have to run the program. Okay, so in scratch folder, so default we have some simple code, scratch simulator code. So we want to run this basic code, then we will explain remaining things. Okay, so first you copy, then paste it in your terminal window. Okay, /swap -run scratch, then this is the file name, scratch folder available in your scratch simulator. So then, so it is a .cc. So we want to delete the extensions. Okay, just give enter. So now the program is built, finished successfully within 1.5 seconds. The output is scratch simulator. So that's all. So now you are installed NS3 successfully in your Ubuntu systems. If you want to install if you want to run any other extra program means, so you go to NS 3.3 folder, then go to examples. So we have a number of examples: energy, error model, IPv6, matrix, like that. We have a different examples, and also we have a tutorial folder. So in that tutorial folder we have a first.cc to 7th.cc. I think 7th.cc we have programs. So first.cc, second.cc, third.cc, like that we have a 7th.cc. So you can take any examples, you can run. For example, this is a first.cc. Already I explained the same code in your net asset simulator code generator video. So if you want, you can refer that video, net asset code generator video. In my YouTube channel. So you copy that, go to tutorial, you copy just first.cc. So paste it in your Scratch folder available in your NS 3.30. So this is your Scratch folder, paste. So next you go to terminal. So how to run? Just give /waf -run. So it is available in your Scratch folder. So it is your first.cc. So this is your first.cc. You can delete your extensions. This is your C++ program. So now the program is compiling. So now we are getting the output. So in this way you can run any program. So by using waf command, waf /waf -run, then Scratch folder. So you can copy all the programs into Scratch folder, because the Scratch folder itself, it will support for NetAnim and other resources. All the tools supported only in your Scratch folder. Okay, so for that purpose you have to run program in your Scratch folder. Okay, so I think you are getting some idea about your network simulations. So network simulator NS3. So what are the things we are followed? So we want to install NS3 in your Ubuntu. So we are installed prerequisites. We downloaded NS all-in-one, then extracted, then built NS3 by using build.spy. Then waf command we are using for binding your Python programmings. Then test command by using test your NS systems. Then next we are running the program. So these are the things we are learned from this video. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. So kindly subscribe my channel. So that is Techno Silent. So you can get more updates from my channels. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you.